Hello guys, what is up? And today we are back. Let me just increase my mic volume. I think that's what it does. Right now, if that has worked, this should sound louder for when I'm speaking. And today I'm going to be doing a military aircraft quiz. I found this whilst randomly looking, but this is perfect for me, and I think you probably might not have a chance, but it's good to have a go anyway. Thank you for joining us, and let's get in, guys, today. Honestly. Normally, I can cross out Eurofighter Typhoon. That's definitely not it. F-16 has one engine. It's this. F-15 Eagle, I think. Yep. If you guys guess this, if any of you know my name, please do not, please just do not put it in the comments. But this is an F-35 Lightning II. No, it's an F-22 Raptor. I was wrong. B-29A Super Fortress. Or B-29 Super Fortress. That is Enola Gay, the first plane to drop a nuclear weapon. B-29A Super Fortress. First one was called Little Boy, was dropped on Japan in the 1940s. I'm not going to say that I know what it is. I'm going to let you guys do it until the last second. AV-8B Harrier II. I'll give you guys a hint on this. It's not a P-38 Lightning, and it is not a Sukhoi Su-57. Guess between the C-5 Galaxy and the F-111 Aardvark. Now this is a bomber, it's not the B-2 Spirit, it's the B-1 Lancer. It has nuclear capabilities, however they don't use it for nuclear weapons. I know this is straight away. you a hint, it's not the Lancaster. And it is not the YF-12. It is the B-52 Cerato Fortress. This does also have nuclear capabilities, and one time they were doing a test run where they had 2 nuclear weapons in it, but it crashed and they both blew up. Another time, one fell out of the aircraft, but of course we won't talk about that because we're on to this. This one I don't know properly, so I'm going to go with the FA-18 Hornet. That's the... Oh damn it! I should have got that, guys. This is the B-17 Flying Fortress. I can already get that. I'll give you guys a chance to get it because I am rushing ahead. I'm so sorry about that, guys. This one, never seen it before. Then one of my friends could probably tell me. I'm gonna go with the T6 Texan. I don't know if it's right, because I know it's not the Spitfire or the Lightning. Oh, I was wrong. I'm so sorry about this, guys. I'm just gonna skip that. Okay, now it's practically just giving this away. Of course, it's the C-17 Globemaster. It is not only US Air Force, we sometimes use it in the British Air Force, the RAF. I know what this is already, by the way. This is the F-111 Aardvark. I'm going to pause this here, guys, and the reason being is these are all somewhat similar to each other. Let's just scroll down a bit. I can't blur this, okay? I am so sorry. Neither can I on this. You know what? We'll react to this on a different time. Good bit of history. And that'd be a good bit of history for us. Get that good old history in there. So, of course, we'll get back in now. However, these, of course, are somewhat similar to each other, but not exactly the same. I know what this is. I'll give you I'll cross out one. It's not the Arado AR-232. It's the C-130 Hercules I'm at. Yep. You see the C-130 Hercules. There is the AC-130, which acts as a ground support aircraft. I'm gonna shut up about this. Sorry. This one, fairly well known. It's the A10 Warthog. When this gets to 50%, I will take a break and I'll be back with you guys soon. This is just a bit cheeky, giving it away. You need to really think about this. Globemaster, if you've seen the other ones, that's a cargo type Globemaster. The Sukhoi Su-57 is a Russian fighter, not US Air Force. The Prowler, I sort of forgot, I know roughly what it is, but then you've really got to think about the boom here. That's what they use to extend it downwards to refuel jets that will come in, match the speed. They will get the refuel, fly downwards, and go ahead of the jet. Then the refueler will turn back, land at a base, and if they need immediate refueling on any other ones, it'll fly back up, or they will have multiple in the air at once. But you've really got to think about the boom on it, and extender, because the extender boom, that's not why it's called that, but that sort of gives it away. It's the KC-10 extender. I know, guys, I'm sorry, I've been giving you a lot of information. Sorry, guys, I'm just gonna... What the actual hell is that thing? I know it's not the F-11, and it's not the F-14, so I'm gonna say it's the E2 Hawkeye. Thinking E6 Texan does not sound correct for a plane that looks like that. This is the last one I'm going to do before I pause. If you guys have made it this far, then I really appreciate it. Thank you for joining my channel, and yeah, I'm going to take a break. This is, of course, the first one. No, it's not. I was wrong. Sorry, guys, about that. I'm going to pause it here. Thank you, guys, for joining me. I will see you later. Hello, guys. What is back? I said that wrong, I'm so sorry. Hello guys, what is going on? I am back now, and I've just eaten me tea. Yummy, yummy. No, I was joking. So, we're gonna get back into this now. I'm probably gonna take another quick break at 75%. But thank you for doing this, guys. Thank you for joining. Anyway, I'm going to play this now, and if you made it this far, thank you so much. It helps a lot. Let's get started. This is the F-16 Fighting Falcon. I'm gonna give you guys a good time to get this in. Here we go. Here's a good one. Because I can't tell the difference, however, I'm pretty sure I can. So this, I'm pretty sure, is a Sukhoi Su-57. Yeah, it's one of the 5th generation Russian fighters. It has a max speed of Mach 3, which is over 1,000 miles per hour. So as you can think of it, very fast. Wouldn't want to get hit by that thing. This, however, is... I'm going to say this is a shooting star. Oh. Yeah. T-33. So... Yeah, so this is an F-117 Nighthawk. It is used as a stealth bomber, used by the US Air Force. Give you guys the go this until 3, 2. EA-6B Prowler. It's a naval / fighter aircraft. Usually takes off from aircraft carriers. There's a hook on the bottom. So this is a torpedo bomber. And this is a P-40 Warhawk. No, it's a T-6X and I was wrong. This now is where I start to have issues. When they look like this and you can't sort of get anything. Look on the back, that's a German flag, I think. Because of the designing and everything, so that's an F-20 Tiger Shark, I think. Yeah. American aircraft, but with a German engineering. Some German engineering. German engineering is some of the best in the world, actually. I think this is a Hornet. Yeah, that was correct. Very famous aircraft now. This dates back to the, I think it's 1944, like mid-1944. Now, the same with the Hurricanes. It's a Spitfire, but same with Hurricanes. I think what they do is the German bombers had come in over London. This is a Stratotanker, just so I can keep on the explanation. Now, when they would come in, they'd wait for the German fighters to spread out and go back, and then they'd have the Spitfires come in from behind and above, so they'd come downwards at an angle, so that they could fire, hit the bombers would go down and basically get destroyed. They'd rip them to shreds, and because it's coming down, then they can just fly straight back off and go around again if needed. Now this is a B-2 Spirit bomber. It is a stealth bomber, and the detection will fire the radio signals up, but with the certain type of body, it will fire it backwards. It would fire it downwards, back at a different thing, so that they wouldn't be able to get where it is. Now this is an F-35 Lightning II. Everybody. So thank you for, of course, I will just give credits to this guy as well, as he is the one who made it. If you would like to see more of these, I'd suggest you go to Military Machine Channel, to this channel right here. And yes, for this, we will be doing this on a different day, some history for us. Now, the infographics show, you should go and subscribe to them if you like history. And other things, and information on things, basically goes over everything you could need. But apart from that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time. This is me signing off. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Bye-bye.